Welcome back, folks. Today, we have an incredible opportunity to showcase a truly stunning property in the heart of Wattala, Sri Lanka. Get ready to be blown away by this brand new, luxurious two-story house. Whether you're looking for a place to call home or a smart investment, this property has it all. Let's dive right in and explore what this gem has to offer. Just look at this magnificent two-story house. Built in 2023, this property oozes modern elegance and sophistication. With its impressive 12.5 perch land size, there's plenty of space to enjoy and create lasting memories with your loved ones. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by the spacious and airy interiors. The house boasts a generous 3,300.0 square feet of living space, offering you ample room to customize and decorate to your heart's desire. It's the perfect canvas to make this house your home. This house features 4 tastefully designed bedrooms, providing plenty of space for your family and guests. With 3 attached bathrooms, mornings will be a breeze, and everyone can enjoy their privacy. But that's not all. This property has been designed to ensure you have all the facilities you need to entertain and unwind. Check out the barbecue area and the pool table area, where you can host fantastic gatherings and parties. Location, location, location. This house is strategically positioned, making your daily commute a breeze. Just 1 minute away from the Kerawalapitiya Highway Entrance, and only 8 minutes to Wattala. You'll also find supermarkets, hospitals, schools, and popular eateries just a short drive away. Imagine sipping your favorite drink while enjoying breathtaking views from the roof terrace. This is a perfect spot to relax and unwind after a long day. All of this can be yours for just 59 million Sri Lankan rupees. And don't forget, the price is negotiable after inspection. If you're interested or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Call 07559545567, 07261688894, WhatsApp 07559545567, 07261688894. Thank you for joining us on this incredible tour of this brand new 2-story luxury house in Wattala, Sri Lanka. If you liked what you saw, give us a call or drop us a message. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more amazing properties. See you soon.